थर्सडे, वेलकम टू मॉम टॉक थर्सडे। अभी भी मैं मम्मी के घर पे हूँ, बट सैटरडे को घर वापस जा रही हूँ, सो आई थॉट आई विल डू द लाइव। आई प्रॉमिस्ड, आई फाउंड अ कॉर्नर इन द हाउस and I have asked everybody to stay out and I said अभी आधा पौना घंटा कोई अंदर नहीं आएगा, so I hope you are going to have uninterrupted live. So how is everybody doing? If you're new to my live, then thank you so much and for joining in. Thank you for spending the next 1 hour with me. In this live हम लोग क्या डिस्कस करते हैं? हम पेरेंटिंग के बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं, मदरहुड के बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं, हम एवरीथिंग इन बिटवीन के बारे में डिस्कस करते हैं कि व्हाट वी फील एज मदर्स, बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं, हाउ वी कैन फाइंड सॉल्यूशंस, व्हाट वी कैन डू टू मेक देम एम्पावर्ड बीइंग्स. Okay, so I am basically on a mission to help mothers empower themselves. You know, when I say empower, you know what do I mean? I mean, you know what do I mean? I mean that you have to first find that confidence in you, and then only you can help your child build that confidence. So having said that, if you're new on my live, then please देखो ऐसा है, यहाँ पे बहुत चीजें बहुत लोग लिखते हैं, अभी क्या करें? Someone was distracting me. Let me just block that person. Okay. Now, if you're new to my live, then let me just tell you one thing. On the bottom right, there is a question mark there. Try to put your questions there, because क्या होता है ना, इतने सारे लोग ज्वाइन करते हैं, इतने सारे लोग कमेंट्स डालते हैं, कभी कभी कमेंट्स ऊपर चले जाते हैं एंड वो मुझे दिखते नहीं है. पॉइंट नंबर 2, व्हेन यू आर आस्किंग अ क्वेश्चन अबाउट योर चाइल्ड, उसकी एज जरूर मेंशन करिएगा, बिकॉज आप उसकी एज मेंशन करेंगे तभी मुझे पता चलेगा कि क्या सोल्यूशन और क्या एडवाइस कैन आई गिव इट टू यू, बिकॉज एज वाइज बच्चों का डेवलपमेंट होता है और एज वाइज उनको हैंडल करने का तरीका अलग होता है. सो हैविंग सेड दैट, हाउ इज एवरीबडी गोइंग? पुट अ हार्ट इफ यू कीप coming back to my live again and again, so that I know you have been here before. Okay, and if it's your first time, then you can and if it's your first time, then write 1 or first, so that I know you're here for the first time. So I'll take this first question which has come, which says how to make a girl at 6 speak confidently. Okay, चलो आज स्टार्ट ही हम कॉन्फिडेंस से करेंगे. Okay, कॉन्फिडेंस क्या होता है? कॉन्फिडेंस क्या होता है? कॉन्फिडेंस इज समथिंग दैट इज नॉट बिल्ड ऑटोमेटिकली. ओके, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, हर बच्चे की पर्सनालिटी अलग होती है. जैसे आप लोगों की पर्सनालिटी अलग है, बच्चे जब आते हैं उनकी भी पर्सनालिटी अलग होती है, उनको हम बोलते हैं टेम्परामेंट्स. ओके, so you will see कि there are children who are very outgoing. You will see there are children who takes time to adjust, है ना? कहीं जाएंगे आपके साथ चिपके रहेंगे, जाएंगे नहीं. एंड देन देयर आर चिल्ड्रन जिनको फर्क ही नहीं पड़ता मम्मी पापा है कि नहीं, उन्होंने जाके इधर से इससे भी बात कर लेनी, इससे भी बात कर लेनी, सब कर लेना, राइट? एंड हमें लगता है यार ये उससे, मतलब मेरा बच्चा क्यों नहीं जा रहा किसी और के पास, मेरा बच्चा मेरे साथ क्यों चिपका पड़ा है, एंड उसका बच्चा तो हर एक के पास चले जाते हैं. एंड देन वी फील आवर चाइल्ड डजंट हैव कॉन्फिडेंस, और देन वी फील आवर चाइल्ड इज शाय. Okay, so first thing first, I want you to understand that your child has a specific personality. जैसे आपकी एक specific personality है, आपके बच्चे की भी वो personality है. Okay, with time वो और उभर के आएगी. Now, if you think your child is not confident in speaking, now there are different ways. Is it speaking in class? Is it telling what she feels? Is it that she's scared to talk? So there are different permutation combinations when it comes to speaking confidently. Okay, here I will assume that you're saying that you know your child doesn't speak confidently in front of other people. जैसे अगर उसको कुछ बोलना है तो वो बोलती नहीं है, लेकिन आपको सब बोल देगी. Okay, how you can build confidence in child is, number 1, you at least start listening to your child. Like क्या होता है ना, हम घर में बच्चों को बोलने नहीं देते, लेकिन हम चाहते हैं बच्चा बाहर जाके अपनी बात रखे. जब बच्चा घर में ही नहीं बोल पाएगा, जब उसको लगता है कि यार मेरा ओपिनियन घर में ही मैटर नहीं कर रहा है, तो मैं बाहर जाके वो कैसे बोलूं. ओके, सेकेंड थिंग, घर में बच्चे जो बहुत बोलते हैं कभी कभी बाहर जाके नहीं बोलते. ओके, मेरा लाइक कल की बात ये है दैट माई सन वॉज अटेंडिंग अ क्लास, एंड घर में तो यू नो हाउ चिल्ड्रन आर, दे शाउट ऑन टॉप ऑफ देयर वॉइस. बट टीचर उससे क्वेश्चन पूछी जा रही है, ही इज नॉट इवन रिप्लाइंग एंड ही इज रिप्लाइंग वेरी सॉफ्टली, मतलब even I can't hear it, and I'm like, Zoravar, you have to talk a little strongly. I said, use your strong voice, okay? So you have to keep nudging your child. It's not that they don't have the confidence. Sometimes they are scared, sometimes they take time to open up, sometimes they do not know if they're answering something that is right or wrong, okay? Third thing, very important, that when your child is alone with you, you have to keep encouraging your child to talk what your child feels. For example, if your child क्या होता है ना, बच्चा दूसरे बच्चे के सामने अपना ओपिनियन नहीं रख पा रहा है, चलो आपने वो देख लिया कि वो लोग खेल रहे हैं, द अदर चाइल्ड इज ओवर पावरिंग योर चाइल्ड एंड योर लाइक, यार इफ यू डोंट वांट टू डू इट जस्ट से नो डार्लिंग, यू नो यू डोंट हैव टू डू इट. आपने वो देख लिया वो खेलते हुए, इसको आप कब एड्रेस करेंगे, जब वो सिचुएशन से बाहर आ जाएगी. आप उस देख लो कि खेलते हुए क्या हो रहा है, लेकिन जब वो सिचुएशन से बाहर आ जाएगी, ड्यूरिंग बेड टाइम, ड्यूरिंग मील टाइम, यू कैन जस्ट से कि बेटा मैंने ये नोटिस किया कि आपकी वो फ्रेंड आपको ऐसे बोल रही थी एंड आई थिंक यू हैड अनदर पॉइंट बट आपने रखा नहीं, एंड देन लीव इट देयर. इफ इट्स अ 6-year-old चाइल्ड, लेट योर चाइल्ड कम बैक एंड टेल यू कि क्यों उसने नहीं बोला. मे बी शी सेड मम्मा मुझे लगा नहीं मुझे जरूरी है, or it's okay, she can do whatever she wants, okay? You can just tell her that beta, if you have a point, make sure you put it across, okay? It is very important that you tell the other person what you feel. Confidence is not built in one day. Confidence takes time. It is a step by step process, okay? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, आप कोई भी नई चीज शुरू करते, जैसे जब आपने पहली बार खाना बनाना शुरू किया होगा, आप एक दिन में कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं होगे कि मैं बहुत अच्छा खाना बना सकती हूँ. या फिर आपने नौकरी कोई नई शुरू करी होगी, on the first day of the job you were not that confident that you could do everything properly, right? It's a step by step process where you start learning, you know, धीरे धीरे करके this you start learning what is happening, and then that learning gives you confidence कि अच्छा ये मुझे आता है, मैंने एक टाइम ऐसे बोला था और ये हुआ था. So it's a accumulation of small things that builds confidence, okay? And another thing before I close this question is confidence breaks very easily. एक बार बच्चों से कोई चीज नहीं होती, उनका कॉन्फिडेंस एकदम नीचे आ जाता है. So it is very important that you keep reminding them something, which is that we all make mistakes. I feel that we as parents do not keep reinforcing this thought process to our child कि mistakes are okay. गलती सब करते हैं. It doesn't mean कि आपने एक बार गलती कर दी तो आप वो चीज कर ही नहीं सकते हो, नहीं. So you have to keep reminding your child that बेटा listen, अगर आपने गलती कर दी कोई बात नहीं, we'll practice it again, okay? कोई बात नहीं अगर ये हो गया तो let's learn कि हमें इससे क्या मिल रहा है. Okay, so confidence build करने में it takes small pieces, but confidence break होने में एक बार में break हो सकता है. For example, your child is very good at tennis, okay, and उसने धीरे धीरे करके उसने learn कर लिया, practice करके she is very good at tennis. Now what happens is 1 or 2 matches if she doesn't win, her confidence starts coming down. That is where we as parents have to pull them up by telling that it is not that if you lose 1 or 2 times you're not good enough. You know, it takes practice. This is something a lot of us miss when we are trying to only focus on confidence. Okay, so keep all these things in your mind, but start with the fact that maybe it is your child's personality to be an introvert, or to be someone who doesn't want to get into a conflict, or to be someone who takes time to open up, and there is nothing wrong in it. Okay, we all want कि हमारा बच्चा जाके confidently world handle करे. We all want that हमारा बच्चा जाके बाहर आके अपना opinion रखे. But remember, there is something called as a personality also, and it is only us as parents who have to give them, nurture them, and coach them, what to go and do in the world. Okay. And another thing that you can do confident speaking में is you can practice that at home. सपोज आप चाहते हैं आपका बच्चा एक स्पेसिफिक आंसर दे अगर कोई कुछ बोले, सो मेक योर चाइल्ड डू द रोल प्ले एट होम. इफ योर फ्रेंड सेज दिस, यू कैन से दिस. If your teacher says this, you can say this, and don't just leave it there. You should role play it with them. Okay. Okay, let me take the next one. If it was helpful, then please drop an heart. Okay. It really gives me a satisfaction that at least I could answer your question as per. मतलब my answer was helpful to you. Okay. Now, let's take another very. I really like this question, so I've taken it on the top. How to overcome triggers? Okay. मैं आपको एक बात बताऊं. Parenting is all about triggers. All about triggers. Why is it that? Certain parents react to a certain thing and certain parents don't, or even between a mother and a father. Okay, कभी कभी क्या होता है, बच्चे से कुछ गिर जाता है, मे बी द फादर इज लाइक अच्छा कोई बात नहीं उठा लो, एंड द मदर इज लाइक अरे तुमने ये कैसे गिरा दिया, एंड ब्ला 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 ब्ला. अनदर थिंग इज बच्चे ने कहीं पे किसी को लाइक चाइल्ड इज नॉट एबल टू राइट प्रॉपरली, द फादर इज लाइक हाँ कोई बात नहीं सीख लेगा, बट द मदर इज लाइक नहीं इसको अब भी सीखना है, ये कर क्यों नहीं रहा है, इसने वॉल पे स्क्रैच कैसे कर दिया, इसने उसको हिट कैसे कर दिया, इसने ये कैसे कर दिया, इसने वो कैसे कर दिया. इट इज ऑल आर ट्रिगर्स. ओके, जैसे व्हेन माय चाइल्ड सेज समथिंग लाइक कि मम्मा आई गिव अप, इट रियली ट्रिगर्स मी. It really triggers me, very honestly. Why? Because in my mind, I feel like you can't give up. And I don't like anyone telling me I give up, you know. But मेरे बच्चे ने तो ऐसे ही बोल दिया, because sometimes they just say things. They feel something else. They don't have the vocabulary, so they just say whatever they understand out of it. But it triggers me a lot. And then I go into the entire mode of explanation and lecturing and motivation, which I realized was of no use to my child. Okay, so it is my trigger. It is only when we become aware of what is triggering me is when I can parent better. So how to overcome triggers? First thing first, start recognizing your triggers. You can only overcome your trigger when you recognize your trigger. Okay, like there are few things that triggers me. So 2 years back until date, अगर मैं किसी चीज से बार बार ट्रिगर होती हूँ, आई स्टार्ट मेंटेनिंग अ जर्नल. इससे मुझे बहुत इरिटेशन होती है, इससे मुझे बहुत इरिटेशन होती है, इससे मुझे बहुत इरिटेशन होती है. ओके, एंड व्हेन आई सिट एंड वर्क ऑन माई सेल्फ, आई इवन नो कि वो इरिटेशन कहाँ से शुरू हुई थी. व्हेन आई वाज लाइक अ चाइल्ड, व्हाटएवर ट्रिगर्स अस टुडे इज समवेयर एम्बेडेड अस इन आवर चाइल्डहुड. क्योंकि चाइल्डहुड में या तो हमें किसी ने कुछ बोला था, या कुछ हुआ होगा, या हमने किसी ने हमें कमेंट दे दिया होगा, या फिर वी वर नॉट हर्ड, यू नो, थिंग्स लाइक दैट. सो वो सब हमारा चाइल्डहुड का जो ट्रॉमा होता है वो हमारे ट्रिगर्स बनते हैं इस टाइम पे. ओके, नाउ व्हाट हैपेंस इज, पॉइंट नंबर 1, यू सिट एंड एनालाइज व्हाट ट्रिगर्स यू द मोस्ट. टेक द टॉप 3 ट्रिगर्स दैट यू हैव. ओके, वट एवर इट इज. लाइक अगर मेरा बच्चा झूठा छोड़ देता है तो मुझे बहुत ट्रिगर होता है. लाइक इन आवर हाउस माई हस्बैंड इज वेरी मच अबाउट लाइट्स बंद करो, पंखे बंद करो, इलेक्ट्रिसिटी वेस्ट नहीं होनी चाहिए, खाना वेस्ट नहीं होना चाहिए. ही इज वेरी पर्टिकुलर. दैट कम्स फ्रॉम हिज अपब्रिंगिंग बिकॉज हिज पेरेंट्स वर वेरी पर्टिकुलर. दैट इज नॉट अ ट्रिगर फॉर मी. मतलब मुझे कोई ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ता बिकॉज दैट वॉज नेवर माई कोर बिलीफ. ओके, सो ही गेट्स ट्रिगर्ड, आई डोंट गेट ट्रिगर्ड. नाउ फॉर हिम वी हैव टू वर्क अराउंड इट. अब छोटा बच्चा है, वो नहीं लाइट बंद करेगा. आई कैन कीप रिमाइंडिंग हिम, जोरावर व्हेन वी गेट आउट वी हैव टू स्विच ऑफ द लाइट. सो आई हैव टू वर्क विद माय चाइल्ड टू फिगर आउट कि हाउ आई कैन टीच माय चाइल्ड एंड हाउ माय हस्बैंड कैन वर्क अराउंड हिज ट्रिगर्स, हाउ आई कैन वर्क अराउंड माय ट्रिगर्स. Okay, I even made a reel where I said that I hate anyone scribbling on the wall, and there was a time when my son started scribble little bit on the wall. First thing first, and then one day he came and said, "Mama, I want to paint the wall." Honestly, I was like, यार ये करेगा तो मतलब मेरा तो गुस्सा कहीं पे भी नहीं जाएगा. So I told him, I said, wait. I gave him a wall somewhere at the back of the house and I said, do whatever you want to do here. I believe once you figure out what your trigger is, you can find a solution for it. otherwise your child is going to keep triggering you again and again and again and again. It's like चोट लगी होती है ना, सपोज आपको कोई चोट लगी है यहाँ पे बचपन में, ठीक है, एंड जैसे ये आपकी चोट है, ओके, इमेजिन दिस इज योर वूंड, सम चाइल्डहुड वूंड बोल दो, किसी ने कुछ बोल दिया उसका वूंड बोल दो, एंड बार बार इफ योर चाइल्ड starts coming and doing this to you again and again, it irritates you. That is what triggering is. That is what triggers is. That is what irritates you and gets you into a reactive mode. Okay? So basically they are doing nothing. जो आपके childhood wounds है ना, उसको वो आके ये कर रहे हैं, उसको वो आके बार बार टच कर रहे हैं, और जब वो टच करते हैं आप होते हो ट्रिगर, आपको लगता है ये क्या हो गया. Okay, if you are getting me, type yes and write one of the triggers that is really bothering you right now. If you have come to my life for the first time, तो मैं ये बता दूं, it is I like the life to be interactive so that I know कि भाई जो मैं बोल रही हूँ आपको उसका कोई फायदा हो भी रहा है या आपको समझ आ भी रहा है. So if you understood ये wound वाला story, then write yes and tell me if you have a trigger. Let me see if I can give you an example with it as to what you can do with it. कॉफी होगी ठंडी. एज अ मदर भाई गर्म कॉफी तो पियो, पता नहीं कितना टाइम हो गया. ओके, सो इफ यू हैव अ ट्रिगर, राइट इट हियर एंड आई विल ट्राई टू टेल यू अ वर्क अराउंड इट, और वी कैन फाइंड अ वर्क अराउंड इट. एंड इफ यू अंडरस्टूड दिस वूंड वाला स्टोरी, नेक्स्ट टाइम when your child is triggering you, remember it is something that you already have it from your past, and they are just coming and nudging it. They are just coming and irritating you more because it is your past thing. Okay, one second. My trigger is whenever my son asks same things again and again. Oh, precious pearls, let me tell you, my trigger is when my kids don't do something, I get really irritated. Okay, these are two separate things. Let me first answer these two separate things. My trigger is when my son asks the same thing again and again. इसके लिए I'll tell you an analogy जो मैंने last time लाइव में बोली थी, जो मैं बहुत बोलती हूँ. आपने वुडपेकर देखा है? वुडपेकर कैसा होता है? They will keep coming and pecking the tree. टक 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 टक. So when your child comes and keep asking you the same thing, no, they are just pushing your boundaries because they are trying to see कि मैं कितना पुश कर सकती हूँ मॉम या डैड को कि वो हाँ बोल दे मुझे. मम्मा इज इट टीवी टाइम, मम्मा इज ऑलरेडी, इज इट 12 o'clock, मम्मा इज इट 12 o'clock, मम्मा इज इट 12 o'clock, मम्मा इज इट 12 o'clock. दे आर जस्ट पुशिंग योर बाउंड्री. वो वुड पेकर होता है ना, ऐसे 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 करता है. सो व्हेन माई चाइल्ड डज दैट, नो, आई जस्ट रिमाइंड माई सेल्फ एज अ वुड पेकर एंड आई सेड ही इज जस्ट बीइंग अ वुड पेकर, ही इज जस्ट टेस्टिंग योर बाउंड्री. दिव्या, डोंट लेट हिम गेट टू यू. It's like me against him हो जाता है कि is he going to win or am I going to keep my cool? Okay, if he keeps asking me the same question again and again and again, suppose I told him that yes we'll go out but we'll go out at 11:30. 9 बजे से he'll start, मम्मा 11:30 हो गया, मम्मा 11:30 हो गया, though he knows how to read time. Okay, and क्या होता है ना, जब वो जितनी बार पूछते हैं उतनी बार हम इरिटेट होते हैं क्योंकि हमने और भी काम करने होते हैं. देखो हमारे पास बहुत काम है दुनिया के, हम एक टाइम टेबल पे चलते हैं, मैंने ये करना है, ये करना है, ये करना है, ये करना है. बच्चों के पास कोई काम नहीं है. देयर लाइफ इज जस्ट देम, दे आर द प्रायोरिटी ऑफ देयर लाइफ. ओके, वी हैव टू वर्क, वी हैव लॉट ऑफ टू डू लिस्ट, वी हैव घर का काम. ओके, सो हमारा तो टाइम टेबल चल रहा होता है और वो वेले है. सो दे आर नथिंग टू लूज, सो दे कैन कीप कमिंग एंड पुशिंग अस, एंड दैट इज व्हाट इरिटेट्स यू. So what you do is, next time your child comes and keep asking you the same thing, answer once, answer twice, and उसके बाद just be quiet and just keep telling yourself कि listen, he is just trying to be a woodpecker and keep asking me the same question again and again. Okay, because that's what is happening. Sometimes you can also say that I've already replied to this, I'm not going to reply to this again. That's it. Or you can go one step ahead. अगर वो 10 बार हो चुका है, you can just say this कि लिसन, मैंने ये 2 बार बोला भी है कि आई नो दैट यू आर डूइंग दिस टू इरिटेट मी, बट आई एम नॉट गोना गेट इरिटेटेड डार्लिंग. आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू द आंसर एंड माई आंसर रिमेन्स द सेम इवन इफ यू आस्क मी 10 times. वो फिर 2 बार आके पूछेगा और जब उसको दिखेगा कि मेरे से कोई आंसर नहीं मिल रहा है ना, फिर वो चुप हो जाते हैं. My biggest learning as a parent, which I'll share with you, and which I feel if we implement, a lot of our problems get sorted, is we as parents do not know how to be quiet. बच्चा थोड़ा कुछ बोलते हैं, हम फटाफट उसका आंसर देते हैं, हम रिएक्शन मोड में आ जाते हैं. बच्चा थोड़ा कुछ बोलता है, हम बोलते नहीं. बच्चा थोड़ा कुछ बोलता है, हम बोलते क्यों, मैंने अभी तो बताया था तुम्हें. लर्न टू टेक अ पॉज एंड नॉट रिप्लाई टू थिंग्स दैट आर नॉट अर्जेंट. Everything is urgent for them. Everything is कि ये मुझे अभी चाहिए. But for us, it's not a crisis. उनके लिए it is a crisis because their world is only their world. उनको उतना ही पता है. उनको अगर अभी चाहिए तो अभी चाहिए. अगर मुझे पानी अभी चाहिए तो अभी चाहिए. अगर मेरे को ये चॉकलेट अभी चाहिए तो अभी चाहिए. और उनके क्राइसिस में हम और हाइपर हो जाते हैं. Okay? So learn to take a pause. You don't have to reply to everything your child says. Everything. This I have also learned over time and I'm still learning because I also have a very strong personality and my child also has a very strong personality. तो जब वो कुछ बोलता है ना, मैं बहुत जल्दी कभी कभी रिएक्ट कर देती हूँ कि नहीं करना है तो करना है, आपको बोला है ना बेटा ये 5 times लिखना है तो लिखना ही है. Then I realized कि यार उसको बोली जाने दे, क्या फर्क पड़ता है. And trust me, it helps. It helps in validation. It helps for them to pass that emotion. It helps me to calm down. Okay? Like for example, मेरे बच्चे ने आके अपनी कोई मुझे प्रॉब्लम बता दी. मम्मा I don't feel like going. मम्मा I don't want to go to cricket. Okay? पहले क्या होता था, मैं ना सीधा लेक्चर मोड में घुस जाती थी. नहीं बेटा जाना तो है, क्रिकेट तो जाना. अब मैंने ये सीख लिया है that instead of getting into a lecture mode, first I take a pause. I'm like, and I give good 3, 4, 5 minutes का लंबा pause or I'll do something, whatever I'm doing, I keep continue doing that. And I'm like, yeah, I heard you. So कभी कभी क्या होता है ना, वो उतनी देर में the child also just comes down because remember child के लिए everything is urgent. Child के लिए everything is कि ये मुझे अभी करना है. Child doesn't think long term. Child is only thinking of today and now. Okay, and we are thinking long term. So इतना mismatch हो जाता है ना. बच्चे को सिर्फ अभी की पड़ी है, आज की पड़ी है. हमें है कि यार वो आगे जाके इज नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग इसका फायदा क्या है, नुकसान क्या है. हम फ्यूचर में होते हैं, बच्चे प्रेजेंट में होते हैं. तो ये जब गैप हो जाता है ना, दैट इज वेयर द क्लैशेस हैपन. ओके, सो इफ योर चाइल्ड इज बिकमिंग अ वुडपेकर, रिमाइंड योरसेल्फ कि उसके पास पूरा टाइम है जिंदगी का, इसके लिए वो मेरे को ऐसे कर रहा है. आई डोंट हैव टू रिप्लाई टू एवरीथिंग दैट माई चाइल्ड आस्क्स मी टू. ट्राई दिस ट्रिक विद देम. ओके, थोड़े टाइम के बाद उनको समझ में आ जाएगा कि मम्मा से मैं 2-3 बार पूछूंगा, चौथी बार मुझे आंसर नहीं मिलना है. एंड यू डोंट हैव टू बी रूड अबाउट इट. जस्ट से आई हैव ऑलरेडी रिप्लाइड टू इट, द आंसर इज द सेम. अनदर थिंग, व्हाई मम्मा, व्हाई यू आर सेइंग दिस, व्हाई आई कांट डू दैट. अ लॉट ऑफ यू मस्ट बी फेसिंग दैट आल्सो. व्हाई. Sometimes you just have to stop that why by saying, I do not have answers to all your questions. I'll try to find it. Why I can't have candy? It's not good for your health. Why it's not good for my health? Yes, we can have a detailed discussion about it. बेटा बाद में करेंगे, अभी मैं काम कर रही हूँ. I've heard you. मैं इसके बारे में आपसे बात करूंगी, बट बाद में करूंगी. Right now my answer is no. You cannot have a candy. Why? जिनके बच्चे छोटे हैं, I can completely relate to you because my son's day starts with why and ends with why, and he goes into that why mode ki I'm like, sometimes I tell him I don't have an answer honestly, and that's the end of it. And then I tell him, beta I have already answered 4 whys, uske baad to mujhe khud nahi pata, main Google thodi hu. Okay, so try that. Second question, when this someone Selena asked that when my kid don't do something, I get really irritated. See, understand, kids are not programmed to do what we ask them to do. Okay, we have to make them do things, and that happens with cooperation. I asked my child to pick up the toys. My child did not pick up the toy. It is irritating me because मैंने उसको एक बार बोल दिया कि भाई pick up the toy, but he is not picking up the toy. Okay, what I will do if my child is above the age of 5, I will have a conversation with my child, not at that time but later. I'll tell my child, listen, I am noticing that every time I'm asking you to pick up a toy, you're not picking up the toy. And what is happening is, usse I am getting irritated. There is no harm telling your child what you feel. प्रॉब्लम ये होता है कि हम लोग बच्चों को बताते ही नहीं है कि मुझे इरिटेशन हो रही है, और हम सीधा डांटने और गुस्सा करने में आ जाते हैं. टेल योर चाइल्ड हाउ यू फील. टेल योर चाइल्ड इट इज इरिटेटिंग मी. Tell your child I am getting really angry and next thing I may say might sound like I am shouting on you and you will not like it. You say what you mean and be very clear about it. Okay? This is irritating me that you're not picking up your toy. What can we do about it? Then your child will say, but mama, I need help. It is too many things. Then you tell your child, then you say that to me, darling. It is too many things. I will help you with it. But when you do not do what I ask you to do, it irritates me. So how can we work as a team? After your child is 5, you can very well, they are very capable of understanding and working with you. So try doing that. Making someone do something is all about cooperation. You cannot make anybody in this world do anything without they want to do it. जबरदस्ती आप किसी से कुछ नहीं करा सकते, जबरदस्ती आपसे भी कोई कुछ नहीं करा सकते. And that's the fact. Okay. So I hope I answered your question. So if something is triggering you, okay, try to understand why that triggers me. What can I do about it? A lot of triggers happen to us. You know why? Because we are on a timetable. हमें लगता है ये करना है, ये करना है, ये करना है, and my child is not finishing it. Now when I am on a timetable and my child is not doing certain things, like for example, I have to reach somewhere at 12:30. And I know if I don't leave in next 5 minutes, I'll get late, right? When something like that happens and your child is having a meltdown or something is happening, I'll tell you something. Remind yourself what is important right now. Is it okay if I reach 10 minutes late? Or should I really get irritated on my child, shout on my child, scream on my child, hit my child, and then अपना भी मूड खराब करूँ और उसका भी मूड खराब करूँ? I think last month I shared it on my live also that 11:25 पे my son started having a major tantrum. मेरा लाइव है 11:30, मैंने उसको बता दिया मेरा बेटा मेरा लाइव है, सारा अरेंजमेंट कर दिया, घर में सारा सेट कर दिया, नैनी को बोल दिया तू फ्री है तो उसको ये खिला लेना, ये कर देना, उसको सारा समझा दिया. 11:25 he has a major tantrum and he comes and tells me I want to watch a TV. Why? Because he knows he can blackmail me. He knows that it's his time where I have to say yes because he knows 11:30 मम्मा का tantrum है, sorry मम्मा का live है. पहले तो I started getting irritated. I'm like यार 11:27 हो गए, I have to go. That irritation we all know, we feel that, okay? Then I took a deep breath and I said, okay, what is the worst that will happen if I go to live after 10 minutes? If instead of 11:30 I log in at 11:40 or 11:45. Okay, I said nothing is going to happen. I have a community who understands me. I am a mother, they are a parent, they understand that these things happen. Okay, when I gave myself that permission, okay, what is important to me right now is to manage my child, I handled my child better. नहीं, मैंने उसको TV time नहीं दिया. I took 5 minutes, I took deep breaths, I took him to a side, I understood what his problem was. I told him it was not like whatever way I had to manage him, I managed him and he went back to playing. Okay. So when you're in a hurry, when you're in a rush, just remind yourself it is not a crisis. For your child, everything is now and abhi, but for you, it need not be the same. Okay. Let's go to the next question. Okay, I'll just take this one again. Selena, you are asking me about how I want to ask how to reduce burst out to kids. I am a mother of 8 to 5. I couldn't help myself when it comes to making them get ready for school. This is a sheer problem of doing routines. See, children need routines. If you keep doing things for children, they do not know what to do next and they will look at you. इसके बाद क्या करना है? आप बोलोगे बट उसको तो पता ही है ना, सुबह उठना है, नहाना है, ब्रश करना है, कपड़े पहनने हैं, स्कूल जाना है, राइट? पता सबको होता है, बट यू हैव टू कीप प्रैक्टिसिंग इट विद देम. सो डू वन थिंग, go to my YouTube channel. There is a live I did only about how to do routine charts with children. How to do routine charts with children. It is a very, very powerful live we did. I am telling you, if you do not have routine charts with children, if you do not have routines with children, you are the one who is going to get irritated. And इसमें बच्चे की गलती नहीं है. Because the child is dependent on you from day one कि मम्मा बोलेंगे तो कर ही लेंगे, उन्होंने तो वैसे ही बोलना है. You have to set up your child for the day in the way इसके बाद ये करना है, इसके बाद ये करना है, इसके बाद ये करना है. So please go to my YouTube channel and वहाँ पे there is a live में playlist में जाना, videos में जाना, live में जाके title होगा how to make routine charts. ये last year हमने किया था. If you guys want, I'll do it again next Thursday और उसका next Thursday about how to do routine charts with children. If you're not doing routine charts with children, your life is always going to be very, very stressful. I do routine charts every 15, 20, 25 days depending upon कि वो follow हो रहा है कि नहीं. Okay? For example, जब छुट्टियाँ शुरू हुई, the first thing I did, like on day 1 of holidays, I made it very clear to my child, beta, how we are going to go through the day, what you're going to do after what. Okay? आपने पढ़ाई करनी है, कितनी करनी है, आपने टीवी देखना है, कब देखना है, खेल फ्री टाइम है, there is a lot of free time here and there. But when he doesn't follow that routine, I just tell him, beta, go and check in the routine chart, what did we discuss. Okay, now things may not go 100% how you have discussed, but even if they go 80%, that's a win as a parent. Okay, so do that. Okay. Okay, again I'll answer this question. My son is very emotionally sensitive. How can I make him emotionally intelligent? Yeah, I'll say emotionally strong. He is 4 now. As I said, there are different kind of kids. Okay, there are sensitive kids, there are feisty kids, there are fearful kids. You know, the best way of an emotionally sensitive child or a fearful child is to, one, validate their feelings, listen to their feelings, don't dismiss their feelings. अगर आपका बच्चा suppose emotionally sensitive है, and then so I am assuming that an emotionally sensitive child will also not go very easily and mingle with people. When they go to a public place, they will keep clinging on to you, and the more you push them, the more they will not go. Okay, so for an emotionally sensitive child, for a child who is clinging on to you, for a child who needs their time, you have to give them that time. You have to first tell them it is okay if you want to take your time. Second thing, before you go anywhere, okay, I'll start like this. If you have a fearful child who is emotionally sensitive, who gets hurt very easily, you know, who takes their time, जिनको कुछ लोग बोलते they are shy. I don't call them shy. They are not shy. I think it's a very good quality to be little cautious of what is happening next. Okay, it's a very good quality to first see whether I want to do it or not and then jump into it. See, every personality has a pro and a con. Okay, I personally would like my child to be little bit cautious before jumping in, because if when in teens also he's like that, it's good. Then he's not going to follow his friends. He's going to use his brain. He's going to take his time to make his friends, choose his friends, and then he's going to go and do an activity, which is a good thing. But बचपन में क्या होता है, because they are around us and all other children are playing, we feel कि मेरा बच्चा जाके खेल क्यों नहीं रहा है. Okay, so the best way to help a emotionally sensitive child or a shy child or a child who takes time is, one, before going anywhere, you prepare them step by step by step. We are going to go to a birthday party. There are going to be your friends there. You know, there may be lot of other people that you may not know. आप हो सकता है किसी को भी नहीं जानते होंगे. You have, if you feel like going and playing with them, then please go. Otherwise, you can always stay with me. I'm telling this to you out of my own experience. When you give a child an option, they choose the second one. Once they know कि ठीक है यार, it's my choice if I want to go or not, they may stick around with you for some time, but eventually they will go. And even if they do not go for first time or second time or third time, they may go the fourth and the fifth time. Okay? And that is what we have to do. Suppose I put you into a crowd where you do not know anybody or you just know one or two people. You may also get very uncomfortable because you're like, यार मैं किसी को जानती नहीं हूँ, मैं क्या बात करूँ, right? Same happens with children also. Some children, as I said, are like they will go and run around. You know, some children may not. Can you guys hear me? Because there is a lot of rain coming and there is a lot of noise. Can you guys hear me? Just say a yes or no, please. Because there is a lot of disturbance. So what you need to do is, you need to give your child that emotional support. One. Second, you have to build emotional resilience in your child. Which means what? Don't suppress your child's feeling. Let your child feel sad. Let your child feel, I know there's too much noise, right? I think that I have to cut the light. This is the last question I will answer because there's a lot of rain and there's a lot of sound. So let's do one thing. Let's continue this question about child being a shy child or emotional regulation of the child in the next Thursday live. I'm sorry, but there is nothing else I can do. It's raining outside, so it's going to have a lot of noise. So sorry for this. I will stop my live here because you guys can't hear me. I can't hear myself. There's so much noise here. बारिश हो रही है अच्छी खासी. Okay, yeah, it's raining and it's raining like really hard. तो पूरी आवाज आ रही है यहाँ पे. Okay, but it was nice talking to you. Selena, I hope I have answered your question. Do give a heart or write if it works out for you. I check all the DMs I get. Okay, and next Thursday, if we're going to be back, I'm going to be back at my home, so I will answer your questions properly. In case you have a question for a live, you can DM it to me. Okay, I will take it during the live only. It is easier for me to do that. Okay, in case there is a question or a topic you want me to cover, when I from next Wednesday I'll put that question wala point there. When on my stories, you write your questions there. It's easier for me to know what you're going to ask and then I can answer it properly. Okay. Okay. Chalo. There is a lot of rain happening. I can't hear myself. I'll see you guys next Thursday. Bye bye.